You want to learn how to lose weight while still eating fast food every day? Get in here and I'll tell you how. Alright, so the hook to this video is obviously ridiculous. I'm not going to tell you how to eat fast food and still lose weight. But what I will tell you is how damaging it can be and how easy it is to actually prepare your own food or eat healthy while you're out so you don't have to worry about it. Yo, if you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. While you're at it, you might as well go ahead and like and hit that bell notification so that YouTube will let you know every time I create new content. And thank you. So what would you do if in a public restroom you saw me drinking from a toilet? You'd probably be like, oh man, that's gross. Why would you do that? Don't you know that could make you sick? Don't you know that there's a water fountain right outside of this restroom that you could drink from? And then what would you do if I looked up from drinking and said to you, I know exactly how gross this is. I know exactly how sick this could make me. But hey, I did my business, I got thirsty, and there's water right here.
It's convenient.
So, I'm not really gonna drink from a toilet, but hopefully you get the picture I'm trying to paint. Inside of the restroom is the toilet, AKA a fast food restaurant. You're hungry, you pass by it, you stop at it, you get what you need to eat, and you forgo the fact that it's bad for you, it can make you sick, and it can derail all of your nutritional goals. Outside of the restroom, just a couple steps away, you either A, have a healthier option to choose from, or the grocery store that you could go to and pick up groceries so you can prepare your own food. Make a little more sense to you now? Disclaimer, do not, and I repeat, do not drink from any toilet ever. Don't even let your dog do it, it's gross. All right, so we all know that fast food is not the best option. It's full of preservatives, it's cooked in inflammatory oils, and it's usually very, very low in nutrition. But it's convenient. And the marketing teams behind those fast food restaurants know exactly how to draw you in. They'll pick the right logos, they'll pick the right slogans, and they'll pick the right deals to make you just want to stop and grab something instead of going somewhere that you know will be a better option. Convenience will absolutely kill you if you choose to make that the bulk of your diet. What I'm not saying though is that fast food is so bad that if you indulge from time to time, that it's a recipe for death. It's not quite that bad. But if on a daily, weekly, monthly, yearly basis, you forego preparing food for yourself or picking a healthier option, over time, it can do exactly that. You may already have health complications like type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and these foods tend to further exacerbate those things. I guarantee you that you'd be a lot less likely to stop if you already had healthy food prepared for yourself at home, or if you pack some healthy snacks to curb your appetite until you get home so that you can defeat those bright, flashy lights that draw you into those fast food restaurants. Cooking can be a chore for a lot of people. In some cases, it's time consuming, and in other cases, you're just bad at it. I mean, you're just absolutely terrible at cooking. Anybody out there terrible at cooking? I get it. And I'm not, I can cook, but I understand. In either case though, it's time to figure out some relatively quick and simple meals that you can prepare at home to keep you from overindulging in fast food. Anything that you actually prepare yourself is gonna be better than something you can find in a fast food joint. But make sure you focus on foods that you like and things that are actually pretty healthy for you to prepare at home. And it may be just as simple as cycling through a few healthy recipes that you find until your culinary skills grow. And if those magical lights and flashy slogans just so happen to entice you to indulge in fast food, just make sure that you don't overdo it. You don't have to order everything on the menu when you get there. Sometimes you can't avoid stopping somewhere to get something to eat. You won't always be prepared. But when you go to a fast food joint, make sure you're picking the best of the worst. There are some things at fast food restaurants that you can actually order that aren't too terrible that won't throw your diet off track. Fast food and getting in great shape just don't go too well together. That is, unless you're like an elite athlete that just trains all day and you burn calories like a machine. But since you aren't, don't set yourself up for failure. Do your best to prepare as much as you can at home and pack healthy snacks and do all that you can to prevent yourself from overindulging. The thing about fast food is it won't kill you, but if it's your primary source of nutrition, it very well can. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. Don't forget, if you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell notification so you'll know when I make new content. If any of you guys are interested in working with me one-on-one, digitally or in person, make sure you send me an email. I'll put the email somewhere around here. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. I'll catch you on the next one.